Hey, we're in South Dakota bowling the, what is this called?
This tournament is basically trying to provide the fans with a good experience with the PBA players, and also giving try to give a good tournament to the players as well. So we try to cater to both the spectators and the players, and we're just here to have a good time. That's about it.
Saw your parlay up front there, people. Taking notes.
You still lose it? It's not a good combo. Finally get to throw the purple one. Oh, all I needed was a camera for this lane, baby. Come on.
The Krol stepping up in the 12th. First 300 opportunity of the tournament. I'll say that after. Me neither. I think that's a strike. Good game, buddy.
Pretty convincing strike. Pretty good.
I have century awarded myself, I either split or strike. There's no in between at all.
We're trying really hard.
Oh God.
Did I pocket all up?
Now I can sell this camera to a bowler for like $1 million.
He's really practicing. Boog was right. It's his year. It's his year.
Kevin was right, because he got me out of purple to go right.
All right. So
I mean, you should have known that's a given. You should have known that's a given.
Kevin's the magician here.
I am. It's always me. I actually get my ball to go to the 9 pin now instead of falling backwards to the 7 pin and flag 7. It's been a while since my ball's done that. A little sexual.
That lane stuff ain't dead.
This one, that's a rack. Him.
I was the leader in the clubhouse at 260 over. Marshall's in second, right?
Yes, sir.
We went 167 over. Really only had, oh yeah, and we blew a tire. For, what was it, game 3, frame 1, the whole boa system broke and I went onto the lane. And then I fouled the second frame, so we regrouped, we woo-sud, and then, yeah, block went a little better after that.
Hey, we're old, we're stretching. We had 120 something over, 128 over with a 170 game, so pretty good. No urethane ball, don't need it.
Guys, I century awarded myself from game 1 to game 2, and not in the good way like Boog did 3 times yesterday, because he went 300, 190, 300, 190 or whatever he did. I went 130, 230 to start, but I somehow got to 60 over because patience is key. That's all I have to say. The right's walled, per usual. Can't wait to bowl against the right-handers.
My wife took a video and it looked like
Did I get 6?
7, big improvement.
Small update. I was wrong. Need a urethane ball. I was looking at it, and I'm pretty sure there's either 18 or 19 Brunswick urethane balls out there. No Storm ones, and 2 Motive ones.
You heard it here first, folks. Hey, what'd you shoot last game?
257 points.
And you were low on the
Low
pair?
on the pair.
Shake that off, you tournament leader, you. I know I almost missed the whole head pin.
Nice game.
Thanks, pal. We're grinding away. How'd we all bowl, everybody?
We struck.
Enough.
Okay. Boog, we don't care about you. Boog's leading by 3,000. We're all in match play. Top 12. You get a bye. You get a bye. Me and KP have to bowl.
I think we might be bowling each other.
No, don't say that. No, I think I'm bowling Russ.
What were you? 7th?
8th.
I'm 9th.
He's 9th.
I'm beating your ass, Chris. Not much for me to say. I got my butt kicked.
You got creamed.
Yeah, I got beat. He shot 560. No one else shot 460. So now we get to watch Boog win. How's it feel to fry out and then still be the 1 seed? How do you feel? Wow, this is comedic gold. I'm doing the commentary. We're doing a telecast actually on a TV channel. He's the 1 seed, so I'm gonna be commentating the whole thing so you guys don't get to see it from here. We'll just let you know when Boog wins. Bye.